Respected my class in charge and all my dear friend, a very great morning to all of you. I, Vanshika from Proud 10th D grade is standing here to play role as a teacher for mastering the concept. And today our topic is quadratic equation, which is related from subject maths. So friends, let's start. Today our topic is quadratic equation. Our topic is equation, which is related from subject maths. So friend, what do you mean by quadratic? What do you understand by it? Quadratic means the equation whose highest value is 2 or highest power is 2, in which highest power is 2. Or quadratic equation can also defined as ax square plus bx plus c. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. These x, these are variables. These are A and B are coefficients. A and B are coefficients. C is used for constant term. C is used for constant term like 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Now friends, we will discuss how to find the roots of quadratic equation. How to find the roots. Friends, there are two ways. How many ways? Two ways to find roots. First is factorization method. Second one is quadratic formula. Quadratic formula. Now friends, we will discuss both these with the help of an example. Firstly, take an example of this. X square minus 3x minus 10 equal to 0. Here friend, we will use AC method. Which method we will use? AC method. Or we can say middle term splitting. We will split the middle term into 2 digits. We will find the factor of minus 10. The two numbers we have to find that numbers are negative 5 and positive 2, which satisfy the equation. X square minus 3x minus 10 equal to 0. Now friend, we will use AC method. Which method we will use? AC method. Means we have to multiply first and last term, so output will minus 10. Friends, we have to find the two numbers which satisfy that equation. We will split the minus 3 into two numbers. So that numbers are minus 5 and positive 2. When we will add or subtract them, our answer will come minus 3, and when we will multiply them, answer will come minus 10. So put that value here. Minus 5x plus 2x minus 10 equal to 0. Now here x is common in both and remaining is x minus 5. Here 2 is common in both. Remaining is x minus 5 equal to 0. One factor is this and one is x plus 2. X minus 5 and x plus 2. When friends, we will put them equal to 0. X minus 5 equal to 0. X is equal to positive 5. X plus 2 equal to 0. X is equal to minus 2. So friends, these are the roots of quadratic equation with the help of factorization method. Now friends, before going on quadratic formula, we will know about nature of roots. That how can we find nature of roots? Firstly, we will know about nature of roots. Nature of roots. Friends, there are three conditions that satisfy the equation. There are how many conditions? First condition is that if d greater than 0, so roots are possible. Roots are possible. Second condition is that if d smaller than 0 or we have any negative value, so roots are not possible. Roots are not possible. Third condition is that if d equal to 0, so we have equal and same root. We have equal and same roots. Now friends, come on the topic quadratic formula. Take an example, 2x square minus 7x minus 10. Here friend, D stand for discriminant. D stand for formula of discriminant is b square minus 4ac. What is the formula of discriminant? B square minus 4ac. Firstly, we will find equal to 0. Firstly, we will find discriminant here. D is equal to b square minus 4ac. Value of b is minus 7 square, 4 multiplied 2 multiplied by 3. 49, here 24, answer will come 25. So here according to this value, D is greater than 0. We will further continue our question with the formula x is equal to minus b plus minus under root d 2a. We will find the roots by this formula. We will find what we will find now? Roots. Now put the value. The value of b is minus 7. 1 minus is this and 1 minus is this. Minus 7 plus minus. Value of d is 25 and 2 multiplied by 2 because value of a is 2. Minus plus 7 plus minus 25 is the root of 5. 2 into 2, 4. Now friend, to find the roots, first one time we have to add the equation, one time we have to subtract the equation. When we will add the equation, 7 plus 5 upon 4, 12 upon 4. So answer will come 3. When we will subtract the equation, answer will come 1 by 2. Answer will come 1 by 2. So there are two roots, 3 and 1 by 2, which satisfy this equation. These are the roots of quadratic equation with the help of quadratic formula. With the help of quadratic formula. So friends, this is all about from my side. I hope you understand my topic. Thanks and have a nice day.